Dear students, good evening. Today I am going to teach you person. Person is related to the personal pronoun. As we know, it means persons means person refers to the form of a word as it relates to the subject. It means if I say in the full of words to the definition, then I would like to say the form of the word can change with the subject in the present verbs, the past of to be, and with personal pronouns. It's called persons. There are three kinds of persons: first person, second person, and third person. It means I, me, my, mine, you, your, yours, our, ours, us, we, etc. These are pronouns, and these are actually in personal pronoun, and these are also persons. It means persons is related to the personal pronoun. It has three kinds: first person, second person, and third person. So let's start the what is first person. What is first person? It means the person speaking is known as the first person. It means the person who speaks. A person who speaks is known as the first person. If I am speaking about something to you, to anyone, if I am a speaker, then I am a first person. It means I, my, mine, me, etc. It will be first person. It has a first person has two things: numbers, singular and plural. According to the case, nominative case is I and we, singular and plural. According to the possessive case, my and mine in singular, and our, ours in plurals. According to the objective case, me, singular, and us, plural. So this is the first person. As example, there are many types of sentences by using personal pronoun. I am showing you. I like my school. It means I and my is a personal pronoun. We like our school. That was the in singular, but these are in plural. We like our school. It means we and our. These are a first person. These are about first person. And the second example is you don't know me. It means you and me. These are pronouns, but me is first person. You don't know us. You is pronoun. It means it is all related to the pronouns, but you don't know us. Us is a first person. So the third example is this school is mine. Mine is first person. These pens are ours. It means ours is also first person. So these are examples of first person. Now we are going to the second person. What is second person? Second person, it means to whom I'm talking. It means if I'm saying to you, if I'm giving some orders to you, if I'm sharing with you something, then you are second person, because I am speaking to you and you are listening. A person who listens, yeah, exactly, I can say this. A person who, it means the subject is addressed, is known as the second person. It means a person to whom I am speaking, I'm talking to that person will be second person. It means who listens. As these are the and that is second person. As according to the case, nominative, possessive, and objective, singular and plural. You and you, singular and plural, are the same according to the nominative case. Your and yours are the singular and plural according to the yours and yours is the singular and plural according to the possessive case. Objective case, you and you, these are similar. In the examples of by sentences, it will be used just like you are a boy. It means you. I am speaking that you are a boy. It means I am telling you that you are a boy. It means you are second person because I am talking to you. and you are listening to me. That's why you are a second person. You are a boy. You are boys. You are boys. It means you is plural and you is singular, because singular and plural word is same. Your pen is new. Your pen is new, and this pen is yours. Does she know you? May I know you? These words are second persons, singular and plural according to the cases. Now the third person. What is third person? Third person, it means that third person is the person or the thing. It means subject or objects spoken about. If I am talking to you about something, then something will be third person. It means I am talking about pen to you, that this pen is new, this pen is yours. It means I am, if I am speaking, I am a speaker. It means I am the first person. If I am speaking to you, if I am telling you about this pen, it means you are the second person, because you are hearing. If I am talking about to whom, so that person, that thing, or that subject is, it will be called, it will be known as a third person. It means the except first person and second person, everything is about third person. It means except I, me, my, mine, you, your, yours, we, our, us, ours. Except these pronouns, every pronoun is third person. So just about, it means if I am talking about Ram, it means he is a gentle guy, he is your brother. It means if I am saying that I am a first person, I am saying I am telling you, it means you are the second person. If to whom I am talking about, it means Sham is, it will be third person. It means he will be a third person. So third person, the person is the person or subject or things spoken about. It is third person, as according to the case, singular and plural, male or female. Nominative case, he male, she female, non and nothing is it, its and it. It means neuter gender. N for neuter gender, M for male, and F for female. There are singular and plural. So according to the nominative case, he and she and it are the singular. As he is my brother, he is a very nice guy, she is an accountant, she is a nurse. It is new, it is not bad. These sentences are according to the third person. It will be used third person for singular number. And when it will be changed in plural, so they word will be used for only singular persons in plural forms in third person. And second is possessive case. Possessive case for male and for females, and for neuters, his, hers or her, and its. And plural form if of these numbers are their and theirs. It means her sari is new, his shirt is black, its color is red, and their colors, their colors are very bright, etc. I can use. And the objective case is him, her, it. It means them. Then this word will be used according to the objective case in plural form, they. According to the case, these pronouns can changing the form singular and plural. So these are the sentences by using third person. Examples: as a he or she, it means he is my cousin, she is my cousin. It is a cat. These sentences: his shirt is black, her sari is red, its color is blue, etc. This frock is hers, and this spoon is his. These are the third person. It means in these sentences, he, she, it, his, her, its, hers, his, etc. These are the third person. And one more thing, I know him. Him is also third person. I know her. Her is also third person. I can hold it. It is also it. It is also a third person. So these are the examples of third person. First person, second person, and third person. It means all persons are related to the personal pronoun.